went by. I might just start an animal sanctuary. Cause I hate when animals get killed in slaughterhouses. I might just buy a bunch of exotic animals from a dealer and give them all food and water? I'm having so much fun. I got a permit to keep all these animals within my property. I feel good. I feel like very good. I don't got nothing to say. Just let me chill with my animals on my private animal sanctuary. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tickle in all of my kneecaps. I got 3 for some reason. One of my kneecaps is split in half. It was from handling wood because I'm the deforestation king, causing all of the forests to shut down because of pollution.
Yeah.
Start my car and I leave it on all night. Rev it up. Drive to work. Lost the ability to twerk because my legs got chopped off by a wood chipper. Wood chipper.
Connor.
For type beat because I love meat. It's not a feat, it's just naturally sweet because I love the meat. They are slaughtered fast and painless because it is very inhumane to kill them slowly, which is not good. And I don't condone animal cruelty. I just love eating my steak because it's filling. Yeah. And also, Lucy Chicken got a new haircut and it's quite fire. Okay, outro time because I love meat.
Time. I love thyme and onions and vegetables, and I love eating vegetables.
Vegetables
Tomato.
are part of a
Vegetable
very good
soup.
diet.
Wood chipper.
Wood chipper.
Wood chipper.
No, I got too many hits.
No.